Well, folks, 2 for 2. There's so much ice underneath this, we can't get up here Sucker Pond either, so. Yeah, so he's stuck in the gully there at a water bar, so. We're over here. I'm gonna have to back her down and spin it sideways to get going straight again to go back down, because it's just glare ice underneath. So you can't do much when it's like this underneath. See? Look at the studs where they chewed through. Well, so it's just glare ice underneath the snow. So. Yeah, we just tried to get to Dorset Caves and we just aborted that because the Jeep and the tractor slid into each other. And the Jeep smashed his license plate out and everything, the bracket. So now we're winching to get them up so we can spin them around and get them back down the hill, because we're just not going to go. It's just too dangerous today. You know, we got 6 inches of snow on top, 6-8 inches, so it just breaks free and you just keep sliding. There's nothing packed down, so that's about what we're doing. Just get them turned around, and I'm gonna fly it around sideways and turn back around and get the black taco back around for Sarah. See how Sarah's doing in there. Oh, big old rock right here. There's my movie star right there. Hi. How we doing? Had your lunch? Got an itch? Huh? There. Got an itch up there? There we go. Okay. Yeah. Bring your little mouth off from your lunch. Yep. Okay. We're going to turn around and go home, and you're going to go watch some videos, okay? Tell everybody thanks for watching.